Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a usable prompt now, so open it. Press Win, type CMD, then choose Run as administrator if you plan system changes. Once done, you'll know you're elevated because the window title says Administrator. If you prefer a quick start, press Win plus R, type CMD and hit Enter. Make sure you open the correct privilege level. Some commands require elevation, while many common tasks do not. This gets you into the shell immediately, so you can begin navigating and running commands. Once inside, learn to move. Use CD folder name to enter, CD. To go up and press Tab to complete names fast. To inspect a folder, use dir, and run executables by typing their name if in %path% or prefixing a full path like C, /tools/app. exe. You can chain commands with &n to run sequentially or pipe output with for filtering. Make sure to check environment variables with echo %var% and adjust path if tools aren't found so commands resolve correctly. To finish, capture work by redirecting output, command results. TXT or append with, you can view that file with type results. TXT and copy text from the window by right-clicking the title bar and enabling quick edit for easy selection. When done, type exit to close the prompt. If something goes wrong, rerun the same command as administrator, verify the executable path and file permissions, and temporarily check antivirus or Windows Defender blocking. Those steps resolve most permission and path-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.